Alright, yo, it is the TheDevKing here back with a brand new video, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a face reveal, okay? Now, I know it's kind of weird, okay? The TheDevKing, face, okay? Yeah, no, I know. I don't know why I'm in Roblox Studio, honestly. I just kind of do every video here, so, yeah. I'm kind of nervous, I'm not going to lie, but I mean, at the end of the day, it's just my face. Who really cares? So, thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. Seriously, I appreciate it so much. I would not be here without you guys, obviously, and the only reason I'm doing it is for you guys, obviously. A lot of people requested it. I was going to do the day in the life video, but it ended up not working out. I'll do it soon, but I explain that more in the video later. You leave a like for the face reveal, okay? That's what you need to leave a like for. And also subscribe, okay? Because, yeah, because I make awesome videos where I smack my keyboard sometimes. So, you know, subscribe for that. Anyways, I'm going to go into the face reveal now. I'm kind of nervous, but let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and hello. This is me. I'm the TheDevKing right here, in case you've never seen me before. So yeah, this is my face reveal, I guess. I'm not sure why my hair looks so red. I swear I'm not like a ginger, but, you know, it's fine, I guess. Anyways, so yeah, this is my face. This is what I look like. I know it's kind of strange, but this is me with my face. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if my face matches like what I look like. I'm not sure if it does, honestly. But yeah. Anyways, so I don't know if I'm gonna do face cam videos. Probably not, to be honest. Oh, also, if you're wondering why my glasses are so tinted, I swear I'm not like blind or anything. I don't have like any like. Well, I guess I do have like an eye problem, but I just have like regular glasses, and then they just change in the sunlight. And since like, here, let me show you. Since like there's so much sun right now, I can like everything's just kind of blinding me. By the way, actually, let me give you guys like a house tour of my my new place, or at least like a room tour. All right, guys, I'm actually on a different camera right now. I just switched cameras, and I actually want to give you guys a quick room tour, okay? Just to kind of show you where the TheDevKing is sleeping, I guess. I don't know, but we'll do it. All right, so basically, there's my door, all right? It's one of those doors that, you know, is like a slidey door, I guess. So, you know, you just kind of push. Yeah, okay. And then you got my bed, pretty nice bed, okay? Actually, wait, hold on, let me lay in this. Yo, if you know me, actually, you probably don't know this, but I didn't have a bed for a long time. So, you know, it feels nice to have a bed now. I just kind of messed it up, but it's fine. All right, anyways, so then we keep going. As you can see here, we have a play button. What does that say? Tap water. I stole it from this guy, yeah. So thanks for the play button, idiot. So then we keep going. We got some books here. You know, I've been reading this stuff sometimes. And then we got, you know, the setup, not too bad. Honestly, kind of trash right now, but it's fine. We'll upgrade it. And then, you know, some AirPods and stuff over there. And then we got the bathroom over here. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. So as you can see, it's kind of dirty. We got like some clothes and some towels. I'm not sure what they're doing there, but it's fine. And then we got, you know, mirrors and stuff. And then 2 sinks. I'm not really too sure why. We got my closet, and I don't really have any clothes in here. But we got some flamingo merch. Flamingo, right? You guys like flamingo? Yeah? Okay, anyways, let's keep going. Okay, and then probably my favorite part about the room, we got like a nice view. So as you can see, I live in Florida, right? So like we got the beach and stuff. So if we open this door, this thing's kind of hard to open, to be honest, but it's fine. As you can see, we got a pretty nice view of the Gulf. It looks pretty nice today. Not too bad, a little bit cloudy though, but it is what it is. And if I drop my phone down there, it'd probably be like a 30-story drop maybe. I don't know, but I'm not gonna do that today. And this is my view, so it's pretty nice. I like it, it's kind of cool. I know I said I was gonna be doing the day in the life video for 100,000 subscribers, but I ended up doing a face reveal instead because I actually tried recording the day in the life, but I realized I was not good at vlogging, so it would have just turned out like really, really bad. So yeah, instead I just did the face reveal because I feel like that'd be a little bit better, and also you see what I look like before you saw the video. All right, well, I guess this is my face. You know what I mean? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's kind of weird showing your face to a bunch of random people, but leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. That's been it though. It's the TheDevKing face reveal, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be a normal video. But yeah, see ya.